everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a mini review of the Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter. So this is how it looks in the packaging. Now all of us have been waiting for the Nykaa highlighters. I mean, there's foundation, there's compact powder, there are lipsticks which have been one of my favorite lipstick textures. Like the Mattelicious is everything I could ever ask for. So Nykaa has come out with pretty good products in the past, and this is another one right here. So this is the highlighting and illuminating duo. I'm going to tell you all about the product and the pricing and everything, and also show you a demo, obviously, because I have a full face of makeup but no highlighter and I'm feeling a little bit incomplete. So let's quickly begin. So these come in two shades and they retail for $6.99, which is a pretty good price considering they have two highlighters in one palette. So I'm just going to read you the shade names. There is 24 Glam 01 and then there is Gliterrati 02. So these are two shades that Nykaa has come up with. So one is for more on the fair to medium skin tone and one is for the medium to dark. So as I'm reading off here, it says it's lightweight, extremely blendable, extremely soft on the skin, and it says it's very velvety on the skin. You know, it's not one of those really glittery highlighters. It's very, it feels very soft and sort of a sheen, you know, like a glow from within. That's what it claims to do. So I'm very excited to try this. Let's quickly begin the demo. That's why all of you are here. So these are the two palettes right here. I'm definitely going to go with the 24 Glam 01 because this is more for light to medium skin tone, and we have the shades warm gold and pure gold in this. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this, which is I think pure gold and warm gold. I'm just gonna mix this on my Sigma high cheekbone highlighter F03. Are you ready? That is beautiful. Oh my god, that is stunning. Like, so it's not one of those glittery blinding highlighters, and it does not even claim to be, so I'm fine with that. What it claims to have is a luminous finish, and that's exactly what I'm getting out of the highlighter, so I am satisfied. Ooh, girl, that is beautiful. And what I've noticed with this is it does not emphasize any texture. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay, this is the close-up of my skin. This is as close as we can get, and can you see how skin-like it is? It really melts into the skin. A lot of people are petrified of wearing highlighter because it emphasizes texture. It's something that really grabs attention. If you're one of those people who are, you know, terrified of that, this is your highlighter. It's very good for beginners. I'm gonna take this white shade. I really like this shade a lot because it's the champagne-y sort of a shade. I'm gonna pull you closer. Okay, I'm gonna build this up a little bit so you can see it's buildable. Wow, I am impressed, but I'm not surprised because Nykaa is a pretty good brand, and I've been impressed with most of their products. So I love this. Can you see how wet my skin looks? That's what I love. Most highlighters sit very dry on the skin, and that's why you have to spritz it with fixing mist, but this sits wet on the skin, so your skin looks luminous, does not emphasize texture, which I love. You know, you can build it up to a blinding one, you can keep it very light and shimmery like this, like really soft, you know, on the skin. Or if you're like me, this side, totally build it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue highlighting the rest of my face like I usually do. So pretty. Oh my goodness, that is insane. Girl, this
is no joke. Nykaa did not come to play, dude. They're like, bitch, we're gonna start 2018 like you've never seen before.
A lot of you want to know how I highlight my, you know, shoulders and my collarbones. I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna take a mixture of these to form the 24K Glam, and I'm just gonna, like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna slouch ahead and I'm just going to hit that collarbone. Guys, am I not glowing right now? I'm like a disco ball. So what are my final thoughts? Can you guys guess? Well, obviously by the looks of it on my skin, this is proof. I've worn it in front of you for the first time and I am loving how my skin is looking. It's very comfortable to wear, guys. It's super skin, like melts into the skin, gives you this wet highlighter look, like, you know, like a glow from within. And you can build it up, which I love, and it's still not going to emphasize the texture of your skin, which is just what I look for in a highlighter. So yeah, that is all I have for you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini review. I am enjoying my highlighter. I cannot wait to click some fabulous pictures. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.